Successful people have a habit of doing things that unsuccessful people don't like to do. Warren Buffett once said to Bloomberg that everyone lives by their habits. Some habits affect your health or personal life, but there are also habits that directly affect your wallet. Most of the time, people don't even notice their negative financial habits, which repeatedly prevent them from becoming rich. Warren Buffett believes that you can't get rid of bad money habits, but you can easily replace them with good ones. This is the only way to increase the amount of money in your life. So if you want to find out more, keep watching this video until the end. Habit number 1, invest in yourself. Warren Buffett is not your typical billionaire. Despite being worth about $16 billion, he lives modestly. He still resides in a house he bought for $31,000 in 1957, opts for regular transport over a private jet, and enjoys playing bridge rather than hosting lavish parties. This unique blend of immense wealth and a simple lifestyle has captured the world's attention. Buffett's journey to wealth began in childhood. He sold Coke, newspapers, magazines, and gum door to door to his neighbors. "I like being my own boss," he said. "That's what attracted me to print delivery. I chose my own way, and no one bothered me at 5 or 6 in the morning." He delivered 500 newspapers a day, earning a penny for each. Despite his vast wealth, Buffett remains an avid reader. His aunt gave him the World Almanac, which he still treasures. He read his first book about investments in his father's office and continues to devote 5 to 6 hours a day to reading. Even though Buffett's business success occurred mainly in the second half of the 20th century, he remained active in the new millennium. He diligently monitors market trends and generously shares valuable advice to help others succeed financially. Warren Buffett is often seen as an investment guru, but he attributes most of his fortune to following the right financial lifestyle. He understands the value of every dollar. Buffett emphasizes the importance of timing in making money, stating you don't have to be very smart, you just have to have patience. Habit number 2, know how the investment mechanism works. Buffett's second habit focuses on making your money work for you instead of just sitting idle. Simply saving your money isn't enough because inflation reduces its value over time. To counter this, consider putting your money in a savings account that earns interest higher than inflation. However, if you want to truly grow your wealth, you need to invest your money wisely. This requires understanding different investment options and learning how to minimize the risk of losing your savings. You don't have to jump into investing in stocks right away. Start by educating yourself about the basics of investing. Spend some time each day reading about investment topics instead of scrolling through social media. By understanding how stocks behave and learning from the experiences of successful investors like Buffett, you can gradually build your knowledge and confidence in investing. Did you know that leading companies like Facebook and Google have seen annual stock returns of up to 30%? It's incredible how social networks cannot consume our time but also be a source of significant financial gain. So why not channel some of that time spent on social media into learning about investing? Before we continue, I'd like to ask you to support this video by giving it a thumbs up. Your engagement helps more people access valuable information like this. Habit number 3, look at things from different angles. Warren Buffett advises working in unusual conditions which might seem odd. Despite being a billionaire, he prefers assessing global market situations at McDonald's rather than in his office. He believes that to solve big problems, one must look at the things from a different angle. Albert Einstein's story in 1905 illustrates this. Einstein wrote groundbreaking papers in a Swiss patient's office, not a physics lab. Different working conditions can lead to unexpected conclusions in combining ideas from various fields. Habit number 4, avoiding these common mistakes. Warren Buffett's financial wisdom emphasizes avoiding common mistakes. Firstly, he stresses personal development, seeing it as the best investment. Employers seek knowledgeable individuals, so upgrading skills in education can significantly increase income. Secondly, he warns against using credit cards excessively. While convenient, they can lead to high interest rates and debt. It's wise to avoid unnecessary expenses and prioritize education instead. Habit number 5, avoid buying too flashy things. Buffett also advises against chasing the latest technology or spending on luxury items. He prefers simplicity and functionality over flashy brands. Moreover, he cautions against excessive spending on eating out, recommending socializing at home instead. Regarding clothing, Buffett and many wealthy individuals opt for simplicity and value over expensive brands. Unused gym memberships are another financial pitfall. Buffett advocates for an active lifestyle but warns against unnecessary spending on memberships. He also cautions against subscription services, which can lead to unplanned expenses if not managed carefully. Furthermore, Buffett advises against buying new cars, recommending used vehicles to save money. Habit number 6, long-term investing. In terms of investing, Buffett emphasizes the importance of long-term thinking and avoiding unnecessary risks. He encourages developing healthy financial habits such as saving and minimizing debt. Buffett also highlights the value of financial literacy and continuous learning about finances. He stresses that while money is important, it isn't everything, and advises focusing on health, friends, and making tough decisions for long-term financial success. In conclusion, following Warren Buffett's advice can lead to a more financially secure future. His principles of simplicity, frugality, and long-term thinking are key to achieving financial success and happiness. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for our next video. Remember, small changes in your financial habits today can lead to a brighter financial future tomorrow. Stay frugal, stay wise, and stay wealthy.